Hello and welcome back to another video from How to Webmaster. Today let's take a look at domain authority and page authority, and you can quickly find out your domain and page authority for free by using forppo.com. Alright, once you're here, go ahead and enter in your domain or website. In this example is my YouTube channel URL. So let's submit and see what that looks like, and you can see here it is 100 out of 100 domain authority score, which is the highest, 100. So now let's check out the page authority. So this is a little bit different. So again, I'm pasting in my channel URL from YouTube. So you can see here it has a page authority 30 out of 100. So this is specific to the page and not the domain itself. So YouTube obviously has millions of channels, millions of pages and posts from its users. So each channel, each page will have a different page authority. So if you're buying a backlink or selling a backlink, you want to make sure that both numbers are high. The higher the better, which will give you more backlink power, more SEO points. So here's another example for guest post backlinks, and these start from $75 for a post at a domain authority of 10 plus. So my website How to Webmaster has a domain authority of 50, and I do get a bunch of requests for buying sponsored posts regularly, and normally I just charge like $25 per sponsored post. Alright, thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.